Today, we are solving WASSCE November 2016 question 5. This is a trigonometry problem involving three vertical poles on the same horizontal ground. In the diagram, PQ, UR, and TS are vertical poles standing on the same horizontal ground. Their heights are 10 meters, 4 meters, and 8 meters respectively. The angle of elevation of P from U is 51 degrees, and the angle of elevation of T from U is 20 degrees. We are asked to find the distance between Q and S, and the angle of depression of S from U, both correct to 2 decimal places. This is the given diagram. The middle pole, UR, is 4 meters high. Since U is not on the ground, it is helpful to draw a horizontal line. 3 R equals 4 meters points. Five, U and W are all at a height of 4 meters above the ground. B baixa quals 10 uma terceira sinus 4 qual 6 metros. W equals 8 meters setercinus 4 equals 4 meters. S equals 4 meters because W is at the same. Height as U, which is 4 meters above the ground. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. Length of PQ equals 10 meter seterceters. Length of UR equals 4 meter seterceters. Now, let us write the important vertical lengths. The height difference between P and U is 10 minus 4 equals 6 meters. So, PV equals 6 metros. The height difference between T and U is 8 minus 4 equals 4 meters. So, TW equals 4 meters. Also, WS equals 4 meters because W is 4 meters above the ground. PV equals length of PQ, length of UR. PV equals 10 meters sinus 4. PV equals 6 meter ceters. TW equals length of TS, length of UR. TW equals 8 meters sinus 4. TW equals 4 meter cedars. WS equals 4 meter cedars. This equation is the next step in the calculation. To find the distance between Q and S, we first need the horizontal distance from the left pole to the middle pole. This is VU. From triangle PUV, the angle at U is 51 degrees. With respect to the 51 degrees angle, the opposite side is PV equals 6 meters, and the adjacent side is VU. So we use tangent because tangent is opposite over adjacent. Now make VU the subject. Multiplying both sides by VU, then dividing by tan of 51 degrees, gives VU equals 4.8587 meters. Tan of 51 degrees equals 6 over VU. VU tan of 51 degrees equals 6. VU equals 6 over tan of 51 degrees. VU equals 6 over 1.2349. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Next, we need the horizontal distance from the middle pole to the right pole. This is UW. From triangle TUW, the angle at U is 20 degrees. With respect to the 20 degrees angle, the opposite side is TW equals 4 meters and the adjacent side is UW. Again, we use tangent. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now make UW the subject. So, UW equals 10.9899 meters. Tan of 20 degrees equals 4 over UW. UW tan of 20 degrees equals 4. UW equals 4 over tan of 20 degrees. UW equals 4 over 0.3640. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Now look at the ground distance, QS. Since V, U, and W lie directly above Q, R, and S, the horizontal distance, QS, is the same as VU plus UW. Adding the two horizontal distances gives 15.8486 meters. Correct to two decimal places, this is 15.85 meters. Therefore, the distance between Q and S is 15.85 meters. Now we find the angle of depression of S from an angle of depression is measured downward from a horizontal line. So the angle of depression of S from U is the angle between the horizontal line, UW, and the line, US. We call this angle theta. In triangle UWS, the vertical side WS is 4 meters and the horizontal side UW is 10.9899 meters. With respect to the angle theta, the opposite side is WS and the adjacent side is UW. So we use tangent. Now substitute WS equals 4 and UW equals 10.9899. So the angle of depression is about 20.00 degrees, correct to 2 decimal places. This makes sense because TW equals WS equals 4 meters and the same horizontal distance, UW, is used. Tan of theta equals WS over UW. Tan of theta equals 4 over 10.9899. Tan of theta equals 0.3640. Theta equals tan up to the power of minus 1, 0.3640. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Now substitute WS equals 4 and UW equals 10.9899. So the angle of depression is about 20.00 degrees, correct to 2 decimal places. This makes sense because TW equals WS equals 4 meters and the same horizontal distance, UW, is used. Therefore, the angle of depression of S from U is 20.00 degrees. To summarize, after drawing a horizontal line through U, we found that PV equals 6 meters, TW equals 4 meters, and WS equals 4 meters. From triangle PUV, we found VU equals 4.8587 meters. From triangle TUW, we found UW equals 10.9899 meters. Adding them gave the distance between Q and S, which is 15.85 meters. Finally, using triangle UWS, we found the angle of depression of S from U to be 20.00 degrees. These are the final answers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.